Hello everyone, and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make videos and tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm gonna be telling you guys some of the best games you can play, made by App Labs, which you can play on your Quest 2. So first and foremost, we have Daysum. In Daysum, you're basically given the power of a god, and you control this tiny civilization. It's a simple game, and basically you're the god, and it's only for $7.99. It's quite cheap and fun. And then you've got Ancient Dungeon. It's a beta, so you can get it free through App Lab right now if you want. It's a beta game, so don't expect it to be perfect, but it is quite fun. Then you got V-Speedy Alpha. It's a racing game, and there's not really much racing games on the Quest 2, so if you really enjoy playing racing games, you should give this a try. And then we're gonna move on to Tiny Castles. Over here, you also play as a god, but in this one, you protect your followers by from attacking enemies. So basically, your followers, they're gonna get attacked by enemies, and you gotta protect them, you know. And if you wanna play something World War-like, we suggest playing Warplanes, the World War I fighters. It's a game regarding World War I, and you're a pilot who's piloting, guess what? A World War I plane. It's only for $14.99 through the App Lab. And honestly, the last thing I'm gonna recommend to you guys is The Guardians. It's an FPS game, and it's fun. In one word, it's fun. The weapons, they're like out of a movie, so it's like super fun. It's PvP and co-op PvE, and it's also got crossplay between the Quest 2 Quest as well as the PC VR. So it's absolutely a blast playing the game. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.